Namaskar. Ashish Mittal again from Arsenal. Friends, we are very close to 500 videos now on YouTube. And in these 500 videos, I've shown you lot of designs of actual units, Maharaja, Victorian, classical. And one such set I'm showing you today. Again, a Maharaja concept set. And this one is again in double carving. When I talk about double carving, is the carving on the front as well as carving on the back of the unit. Whenever you have a big living room and you want to keep something right in the middle, where the visibility is 360 degrees, you see the set from every side. Something like this, the back carving looks really amazing because this is something, a unique concept that is not available in any other furniture, be it the contemporary, the modern furniture, or the normal carpenter plain furniture. This double carved look is not visible there. And that is the most amazing work that we are doing in this type of furniture. And once you place anything like this anywhere, I'm sure anybody who visits the place would be mesmerized with the beauty of the work that you're looking at in this video. This set I've shown you in video number 351 earlier. That was in teak finish, and this is in antique gold. Comparing the two, you can see how much the difference goes in the same unit when we have something in teak and something in antique gold. And so far, antique gold has been the most liked color of ours across the globe, not just in India, but everywhere. Now, talking about the sizes, the three-seater here is out and out 7 feet, 84 inches. Front to back, this covers 32 inches of space and the back height is 54. Here what we have is a complete set, a two-seater, two chairs and a divan. And in this type of concept, this is not a monotonous theme where you get three or two kind of setup. You have a three-seater, a two-seater, chairs, and a lounger. So that gives a different look to the complete set. The lounger here that you see, the back height is 44 inches till the highest point. Out and out, this is again 7 feet, and front to back, this is 32 again. The interesting part about lounger is the slope here. Now, in a three-seater, you have the entire 54 inches, 4.5 feet area completely covered. In a lounger, this area is quite open. So if you have a French window or a door or a garden outside or something that requires visibility at the back, something like this looks very nice as well. So the view is not blocked. The two-seater is out and out 65 inches, rest is 32 and 54. The single chair is out and out 42 inches, 3.5 feet, 32 and 54. Now the sitting area. These are Maharaja chairs. Maharaja, because the look in itself gives the feeling of a throne. It's not a simple chair, and anybody who is sitting on this will get the feeling of the throne, that somebody is sitting on a throne itself. And that's why our sets are called Maharaja or King sets, Victorian sets. That's the common name for these sets. The designing part, the carving part, you can see everything is that heavily carved everywhere. It has got 3 inches base wood. The base wood is 3 inches, and then with the out carving, it is 5 to 6 inches thick. This thick, you can see the thickness, quite thick unit, and this is solid teak wood. This is not MDF, this is not new wood or ply or particle board, solid teak wood and antique gold paint. Everywhere on the entire unit you see, you will find the master class of the artisan who works on these kind of units. Normal carpenters, normal people cannot even think about making these sets. And in very high brand or very high level showrooms, you will get to see something like this sitting there. But here in Arson, we are getting orders from everywhere. This one is going to Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And we have been making and we are sending across India and outside India to a lot of countries also. Making a unit requires hard work, the artistic mind, and above all, the desire to provide what you want. We can make a similar set in any pattern that we want. We can put any cloth that we want and we can present that this is what we have, you can buy. But arson here, what we do, we make it as per your choice. Friends, this is not cheap furniture. We do not make it and we do not intend to make any cheap furniture, because this is something like an art, and art is not cheap. When we are making something exclusive, something Maharaja, something really grand, why not make it as per your choice? So everything that you see here, be it the number of seats, be it the design, the fabric, the color choice, everything is as per the client's choice. You let us know what you want. We make it and deliver to your place. And that's how we are doing it. Our testimonials, on the website there is a section testimonials. There you can see how much stuff we have made and delivered across India and outside India, and how happy people are. They have blessed us with their work, with their orders, with their money, and with their appreciation. That's the most lovable part of our work. Normal furniture people buy from everywhere. But when you get something like this, there is a feeling of happiness that you get something really different from what other people are getting and buying. Now, another question that we generally get from people is about the sizes. Friends, generally the sizes of all sofas are equal, be it the fully cushioned one or something like this. But the work that we have, that makes the set huge. That makes the set grand and royal like this. So if you have some space issues or you're thinking this kind of furniture doesn't work for you, you please contact us, and with the idea, with your diagram, with your room size, we can suggest what would fit better. The design work, the artwork, the fabric choice, the color choice is entirely yours. We'll make it as per your requirement and choice. The back carving, you can see here, similarly in the chair, in the three-seater, everything is dual carved. Even the couch here, everything is dual carved, and putting something like this in the middle of the room will give a different dimension, different look to the room itself. Pricing part is tricky. You can contact us and we will give you pricing as per your requirement. If you want to get the idea, you can go to our website arsonwoods.com and you will find a lot of products there with pricing that gives you the idea how our products are priced. Anything you want to confirm, anything you want to ask, you are most welcome. The number is in the video. You can contact us anytime or drop a message, we'll call you back. Your suggestions, your ideas are most welcome and much appreciated. So if you have any idea, any suggestions about our work, critical or appreciative, anyways, please drop in a message. We'll love to hear from you. Hope you like our work, the art, the artwork, the artisan work, and the quality of arson. Thank you so much.